Well, there was a brother named Phil Snyder.
Mm-hmm.
Phil Snyder was a geological engineer.
Yes.
He helped to build over 100 underground cities across this country. You heard what I
You're
just
not
said?
talking about Coop, are you? Well,
no,
I'm thinking about
no,
Coop.
I know
Okay.
who you're talking about. I'm talking about, no, he was a geological engineer.
Okay.
And they found him
They
in
murdered him.
They murdered him. They cut his
I heard
throat
about-
with
yeah.
piano wire in his house. All right, but they say he committed suicide.
Yeah.
All right.
I remember this.
And he told about they have a black budget. And he was going across the country speaking. And the budget is unlimited. And they don't have to tell nobody what they're using the money for. They have created what they call black helicopters, all right?
Black Ops, is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they can see in your house through your walls. Did you ever said right here in America? Tell you how many people in there? All of that stuff.
Yeah.
Where you at? What room you in? See, I don't care anymore. See, so I tell y'all this stuff because you need to know.
How many